Did you know that not all vegetables are good for people with diabetes? While vegetables are a great source of nutrition, some can actually cause your blood sugar levels to spike. In this video, I'll share 7 types of vegetables that you can safely eat every day without worrying about a blood sugar surge. These are the vegetables I personally trust and include in my meals at least once a week. And they're not only delicious, but also highly effective at helping you control your blood sugar. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because the number 3 vegetable on this list is a must-have for anyone looking to manage diabetes. If you're serious about taking care of your health, these veggies can make a significant difference for you. Don't hesitate to share your questions or thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Let's get started. 1. Carrots. Carrots are a non-starchy vegetable, making them an essential part of a healthy diet for people with diabetes. The high fiber content in carrots helps you feel full, supports weight management, and prevents sudden blood sugar spikes. Additionally, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, as well as antioxidants, vitamins B1, B6, and many other nutrients. Research shows that these components are beneficial for people with diabetes. Furthermore, the vitamin A in carrots helps boost the immune system and improve vision. Diabetic patients can enjoy carrots raw, in vegetable salads, or cooked in soups. However, it's best to limit carrot juice consumption due to its lower fiber content. 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a healthy option, especially for diabetic patients. With its low starch and sugar content, cabbage helps control blood sugar levels while providing a good amount of fiber, which supports digestion and boosts overall health. Beyond fiber, cabbage is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, K, folic acid, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to maintaining stable health for people with diabetes, enhancing the immune system and supporting various bodily functions. However, to maximize the benefits of cabbage, it's important to watch portion sizes and choose healthy cooking methods. Avoid using excessive oil or adding sugar to ensure that your blood sugar levels remain stable and your overall health is protected. 3. Red onion. Here, I want to emphasize red onion, not the regular yellow onion. While all types of onions offer benefits for people with diabetes, if you have a choice, I highly recommend opting for red onions. Wondering why? Keep watching. First, let's look at the benefits of onions for diabetic patients. According to data from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, onions contain 2 main groups of health-promoting compounds, flavonoids and alk-N-cysteine sulfoxide, ACSO. Flavonoids in onions include anthocyanins, which give red onions their characteristic red-purple color, and flavonols like quercetin, which contribute to the yellow or brown color of onion skins. ACSO is a precursor to the flavor compounds, and when broken down by the enzyme alliinase, it produces the distinct aroma and pungent taste of onions. Based on these studies, onions have been shown to help prevent and treat conditions such as high cholesterol, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity. This is due to their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and vasodilating properties, as well as their ability to enhance insulin release and response. Onions also help reduce the absorption of cholesterol and glucose, regulate lipid and carbohydrate metabolism, and inhibit fat formation. Researchers at the University of Michigan have found that regular consumption of onions can help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. In particular, the APDS compounds in red onions have been shown to inhibit the breakdown of insulin in the liver and stimulate the pancreas to produce more insulin, leading to a reduction in blood glucose levels, as observed in animal studies. So why do I emphasize choosing red onions? The key difference lies in their distinct purple color. The purple hue indicates the presence of powerful antioxidants. In fact, red onions have twice the antioxidant content of regular yellow onions. Beyond the benefits for diabetes, the quercetin in red onions also helps prevent aging, reduce cancer risk, and provide strong anti-inflammatory effects. This is especially important because diabetes can trigger numerous inflammatory responses in the body, leading to various dangerous complications. Therefore, if you have the option, prioritize red onions to maximize the health benefits they offer. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini, despite containing a small amount of sugar, 1.7 g, 100 Gs, and carbohydrates, 3.1 Gs, 100 Gs, is still considered a low glycemic index, GI, food. This makes zucchini an ideal choice for people with diabetes, and it is often recommended by nutrition experts as a great addition to the weekly meal plan. Moreover, zucchini is a rich source of dietary fiber. Studies have shown that fiber can help improve insulin sensitivity, leading to better blood sugar control. As a result, zucchini not only supports healthy digestion, but also helps diabetic patients manage their condition effectively, reducing the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes. Try incorporating zucchini into soups, steamed dishes, or grilled recipes to make the most of the nutritional benefits this versatile vegetable has to offer. 5. Spinach. Spinach, also known as raubina, is a nutrient-rich leafy green vegetable with very few calories, making it an excellent choice for a healthy diet. With its high iron content, spinach supports good blood circulation, provides energy, and enhances overall health. Notably, spinach contains thylakoid, a compound known to improve insulin sensitivity, which is highly beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels. In addition, spinach is abundant in folic acid, which acts like an antioxidant, helping to reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes and enhancing insulin sensitivity. This makes spinach one of the best vegetables for people with diabetes. Furthermore, some studies have shown that spinach contains alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of peripheral neuropathy, a common complication in diabetes. However, since alpha-lipoic acid is often administered intravenously, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness when consumed from food sources. Try adding spinach to salads, smoothies, or lightly sautéed dishes to fully benefit from the health advantages this versatile vegetable offers. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is an incredibly nutrient-dense vegetable, providing a high amount of fiber and containing a valuable sulfur compound called sulforaphane, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. Thanks to its high fiber content, broccoli promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management and effective blood sugar control. Additionally, the fiber in broccoli acts as a prebiotic, fermented by gut bacteria, helping to balance digestion and improve glucose and cholesterol metabolism. One of broccoli's standout benefits is its high sulforaphane content. This sulfur-containing compound gives cruciferous vegetables their characteristic aroma and slightly bitter taste. Sulforaphane not only helps regulate blood sugar, but also reduces insulin resistance and oxidative stress, which are key factors in blood vessel damage. As a result, broccoli can help diabetic patients lower the risk of cardiovascular complications and strokes, while also improving overall health. To maximize the health benefits, aim to include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli in 3 to 5 meals per week. Experiment with different cooking methods such as steaming, sautéing, or using it in salads to keep your meals interesting and delicious. 7. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the leafy greens recommended by the American Diabetes Association, ADA, for people with diabetes, thanks to its ability to help lower blood sugar levels. This has also been confirmed in a study published in the journal Biomedical Reports. The study involved 42 Japanese participants aged 21 to 64 who had higher than normal blood sugar levels. The participants were divided into 2 groups. One group consumed lettuce, while the other received a placebo alongside a high-carbohydrate meal. Because carbohydrates quickly break down into sugar, leading to a rapid spike in blood glucose, the researchers wanted to see if eating lettuce could slow down this process. Blood sugar levels were measured from 30 to 120 minutes after the meal. The results showed that the group consuming lettuce had significantly lower post-meal blood sugar levels compared to the placebo group. The study concluded that lettuce can help prevent spikes in blood glucose after meals. The reason lettuce has this effect is due to its very low calorie and carbohydrate content, which helps slow down the breakdown of carbs into sugar. With a low glycemic index, GI, lettuce is digested and absorbed more slowly, helping to avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar and protecting the health of diabetic patients. Try adding lettuce to salads, sandwiches, or as a side dish to your main meals to take full advantage of its excellent health benefits. Ways of eating vegetables that are not good for diabetics. Choosing and preparing vegetables properly is essential for people with diabetes to maximize their health benefits. Here are some common vegetable preparation methods that diabetic patients should avoid. Eating vegetables with high-calorie dressings. High-calorie dressings, especially commercial ones like mayonnaise, creamy sauces, or sesame dressing, often contain a lot of sugar and fat. These types of dressings can quickly raise blood sugar levels, increasing the risk of weight gain, obesity, and worsening cardiovascular complications. Stir-frying vegetables with animal fat or industrial cooking oils. Stir-frying vegetables with animal fat or industrial cooking oils is not a good choice for people with diabetes. Animal fats are high in saturated fats, while industrial oils are rich in triglycerides. Both can increase the risk of heart disease and make blood sugar management more challenging. Eating canned vegetables high in salt. Canned vegetables often have a high salt content, including flavor enhancers and preservatives. Although salt does not directly raise blood sugar levels, it can lead to increased blood pressure, a major risk factor for cardiovascular health, especially in diabetic patients. Recommendation: to ensure optimal health, diabetic patients should focus on consuming fresh vegetables and using healthier cooking methods such as steaming or grilling, with minimal added fats, low salt, and no added sugar. This approach will help better control blood sugar levels and support overall well-being. We've just explored the best vegetables for diabetes management and how to use them effectively. But your journey to better health doesn't stop here. There are many more nutritional tips and great methods we'll be sharing in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family, because it's all about improving your health and the well-being of those around you. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.